Have you ever wanted to take control of your finances but felt overwhelmed by all the options? Now today, I'm going to cover 5 unique yet actionable money-making strategies that anyone can start regardless of experience. Now, idea number 1, niche content blogging. Choose a super specific niche and build a blog with content tailored only for that particular audience. Think eco-friendly pet products or urban gardening for beginners. Show how to find keywords, set up a blog, write SEO-focused posts, and monetize through ads or affiliate marketing. Now, unlike general blogging, niche content blogging targets people with specific needs, meaning less competition and higher audience engagement. Idea number 2, it's freelancing with a twist. Don't just follow traditional freelancing paths. Instead, create a service bundle with unique elements others don't offer. Examples like content creation plus data analytics for small business clients. You want to identify a few skills you have that might complement each other. Set up an online profile and create a portfolio demonstrating your bundled service, okay? Now, the market is saturated with single-skill freelancers, so standing out with a bundle makes clients see more value and helps you charge premium rates. All right, let's get down to idea number 3, which is affiliate marketing in emerging markets. Now, emerging markets are growing in internet adoption, and affiliate marketing is beginning to take off in these particular areas. So you want to research what markets are trending, markets like, let's say, Southeast Asia or Africa, and focus on the products relevant to those audiences. You want to join global affiliate programs and create content in the languages that they speak. Now remember, less competition and high growth potential in these markets means more opportunity for early adopters. Idea number 4 is renting out small assets. So what you want to do is you want to share a brief story of someone who made an extra income by renting out unexpected assets like camping gear, bicycles, or even parking spaces. And then you want to find a local or online marketplace for these rentals. You want to calculate the income potential and learn the best practices for safe transactions. Now, this requires minimal commitment, is accessible to anyone with underused items, and can provide a steady income stream with little work. Now, idea number 5 is creating paid online communities. Now, right now, most communities are free, right? But people are increasingly willing to pay for high-value groups focused on learning, business, or mental health. So choose a niche like mindfulness coaching or career networking, just examples, and create some valuable content and invite members to join a paid closed community on platforms like Discord or Patreon. Now, paid communities are a growing trend as people value expertise and are willing to pay for quality interactions and resources. Excited to try one of these ideas? Visit ShawnBrooks.com to learn more about creating your client attraction website to let people know about your services. So go ahead, start transforming your financial future today, and don't forget to follow me for more tips.